Hello everyone, this is Nika Kuskus and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will going to discuss the intervals of increasing and decreasing function. I have an example. First, find where the function of f of x is equal to 3x raised to 4 minus 4x cubed minus 12x squared plus 5 is increasing and where it is decreasing. So, we have f of prime of x equals, let's get the first derivative of the given equation. So we have 3 times 4 equals 12, so we have 3x cubed minus 4 times 3 is 12, we have 12x squared minus 12 times 2 is 24, so we have 24x equals to 0. So to get the critical points, we will need to factor out our this equation so that we can get our critical values. So we have 12x x squared minus x minus 2 equals 0. So the factor of this equation is 12x, quantity of x minus 2 and quantity of x plus 2. So 12x is equals to 0, then x minus 2 is equals to 0, then x plus 1 is equals to 0. So our x is 0 and positive 2, negative 1. So that is our critical points, 0, 2, and negative 1. So look at this graph. So this is our critical values, 0 and 1. So to get the perfect graph, we will need to test some numbers so that we can plot our graph. So I have here a test numbers. First is f prime of negative 2, f prime of negative 1 half, f prime of 1, and f prime of 3. So to test these points, we have first, let us test the negative 2. So we have f prime of negative 2 is equal to 12 minus times 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 minus 2 times negative 2 plus 1. So the result is positive, negative, so it is negative. Second is f prime of negative 1 half, this negative, is equals to 12 times negative 1 half times negative 1 half minus 2 times negative 1 half plus 1. There is 2 positive and 2 negative, so the result is positive. Third, we have the f prime of 1. So we have 12 times 1 times 1 times minus 2 times 1 plus 1. There is 3 positive and 1 negative, so the result is negative. So the third test numbers is f prime of 3. There is 12 times 3 times 3 minus 2 times 3 plus 1, so the result is positive. So it means that from negative 1 to 0, it is increasing, and 2 to infinity, there is infinity, it means it is increasing, and decreasing at negative infinity to negative 1. There's a negative infinity and negative 1, and then decreasing also at 2, 0 to 2, it is decreasing. So that's all for